Hey guys, I just got this master quick disconnect set in from Vihirital. I believe that's how you pronounce their name. But this is a really nice looking set. It's a 45 piece set. Just came in. I did have a chance to look it over. It's very, very capable. So it does come with a lot of really great useful tools inside of this set. Very, very complete. To really take apart any AC fuel line that you may come across. These pliers are very helpful in lots of different areas. They work really great for squeezing those quick release clamps back together. I really like it for that. And then it also works really good for when you find the size that you need. They work great for pulling it in so that way you overcome that spring tension easily. You're not just pushing super hard with your fingers. These are very helpful, so I'm really happy to have these. My favorite part of the toolkit, but all of it is awesome and very usable. All right, this is a 2009 Ford F-150, and we're living out here in Colorado, where we do have snow, ice, pretty harsh environmental conditions, which do lead to corrosion. And on a 2009, very susceptible to corrosion, especially being in the very front of the engine here. So I went ahead and I did precondition these with a little bit of PB Blaster. You use whatever you like, WD-40, just anything to just kind of help loosen these up a little bit. I also went ahead and I have disconnected this one once just to make sure it wasn't going to come apart. It was very difficult because, like I said, it's got a lot of corrosion in there. But let's go ahead and get this quick disconnect fitting apart and demonstrate how well this tool works. I'm going to go ahead, I put that on as you saw, and I'm going to go ahead and use our awesome pliers to pull this down. So, yeah, just felt that go down nice and into the groove there. I'm going to grab it from this side too and just push this down into it. This is a lot easier than using your fingers and really forcing this down, because sometimes it requires a lot of pressure to overcome those springs. But now that we got the tool in, let's see. Oh yeah, came right apart. The first time was a little bit harder, but it still came right apart. You can see how well this guy goes down against that, which inside it releases that spring. There's no other way to get it apart without these quick disconnect tools. So this set's working really good. There's lots of fuel lines, oil cooler lines, a lot of applications where you're going to be able to use this set and going to be able to use it really well. So I'm very happy to have this guy inside of my toolbox. Yeah, look at that. These pliers are going to work right here. I suggest grabbing a set of these if you guys work on multiple types of vehicles or anything that uses these quick disconnects. There we go. This is going to make your job an awfully lot easier. This instruction manual, which I'm about to get really dirty, does come with lots of different explanations as to what each different part inside of this kit is going to work on. So I suggest clicking on the link below, pick one of these guys up. Really nice set to have inside of your toolbox. I'm really happy to have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.